Last paragraph. Hazrat Asma will always be remembered for her courage, generosity, and wisdom. She had resolute faith in Allah Almighty. Her life would always be a beacon of light for all of us. So, the life of Hazrat Asma Razila Anhu is so beautiful that anybody could take guideline from her life, that she was so generous, she was so courageous, and she has a great wisdom, she has a great faith in Allah Almighty, that her life is a beacon of light for all of us. So I hope students you have understood the whole lesson, unit number 4, which is about the life of Hazrat Asma Razila Anhu, and the second topic which deals with the migration of Rasul Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and his close companion Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq Razila Anhu.